Hey everyone. Today we're tackling a super important topic, how to design a kitchen for elderly individuals. Welcome to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. A well-designed kitchen for elderly can make all the difference in promoting safety, comfort and independence. So, let's break it down step by step and explore the key elements you need to consider. 1. Safety first. When designing a kitchen for the elderly, safety is non-negotiable. Here's how you can make the space secure. Non-slip flooring. Floors like vinyl or cork provide good traction and reduce the risk of slips and falls. Avoid glossy tiles or polished surfaces, which can be hazardous. Good lighting. Proper lighting is crucial. Use bright, even lighting in work areas, and consider adding adjustable under-cabinet lighting to minimize shadows. Also, make sure switches are easy to reach. Rounded edges. Opt for countertops and edges with rounded corners. Sharp edges can be dangerous, especially in cases of accidental bumps. 2. Accessibility. Making the kitchen accessible ensures it's functional for people with limited mobility or strength. Here's how. Adjustable counter heights. Install counters at different heights to accommodate both sitting and standing positions. This flexibility makes food prep easier for everyone. Easy to reach storage. Overhead cabinets can be difficult to access. Instead, opt for pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and drawers with soft close mechanisms. These features reduce strain and make it easy to find what's needed. Lever-style handles. Replace knobs with lever-style handles on cabinets and faucets. They're easier to grip and operate, especially for those with arthritis. 3. Ergonomics. A kitchen that's kind to the body makes cooking and cleaning less taxing. Here are some ergonomic solutions. Anti-fatigue mats. Place these mats in front of the sink, stove, or any area where standing for long periods is common. They reduce strain on the legs and back. Ergonomic tools. Choose utensils, knives, and appliances with easy-to-grip handles. This small change can make a big difference in daily tasks. 4. Appliances. The right appliances can enhance safety and ease of use. Here are some must-haves. Induction cooktop. These cooktops stay cool to the touch, minimizing the risk of burns. They're also energy efficient and easy to clean. Wall oven. Install a wall oven at waist or counter height to avoid bending or reaching. Look for models with side-opening doors for added convenience. Microwave drawer. Position the microwave at counter height. This is much safer and more ergonomic than placing it above the stove. 5. Other considerations. Here are a few additional elements to complete the design. Clear pathways. Keep pathways wide and clutter-free for easy maneuvering, especially if mobility aids like walkers or wheelchairs are used. Color contrast. Use contrasting colors for countertops, cabinets, and floors. This helps those with visual impairments distinguish surfaces easily. Smart kitchens. Consider integrating voice-controlled devices or smart appliances. For example, a voice-activated faucet can make cooking and cleaning more convenient. Compact storage. Maximize space with corner cabinets, pull-out pantry organizers, and vertical storage solutions. Every inch counts in a functional kitchen. Okay, now let's wrapping it up. Designing a kitchen for the elderly isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a space that feels safe, welcoming, and empowering. By focusing on safety, accessibility, ergonomics, and thoughtful appliances, you can craft a kitchen that enhances independence and quality of life. What features do you think are essential in a senior-friendly kitchen? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Design SK Studio is the channel where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Click the notification bell for the next educational design tutorials videos. Thank you.